In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google AI Studio for VoiceOver. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. This is the quickest way to reach the platform if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, look for the official Google AI Studio listing and click on it to open the site. After you're inside Google AI Studio, you'll usually land on a page where you can begin a new chat or project. From here, find the default model selection area. This is important because Google AI Studio supports different model types, and you'll need to switch to one that works with audio and voice generation. Click on the default model dropdown to view the available options. Then, look for the audio category and select it. Choosing audio helps filter the tools so you can focus specifically on speech and voice-related features instead of general text models. Next, choose a model that supports voiceover. In this case, the model you want is Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview. TTS stands for text-to-speech, which means this model is designed to turn written text into spoken audio. Selecting the correct model is a key step, because not every model in AI Studio is built for natural-sounding voice output. Once that model is selected, click on the option that says Turn Text into Natural-Sounding Speech. This will take you to the voice generation area, where you can begin creating your voiceover. At that point, you're ready to start. If you plan to use this regularly, it can be helpful to remember this path inside AI Studio so you can access it faster next time. And that's it. You've successfully found the voiceover tool inside Google AI Studio and can now move on to generating speech from your text.